RB King with G to G Family Farms, doing a family farm update. It is Monday. We had a great weekend, but it's time to get back to work, get back to our regular chores. So we are out here today, and I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture right here of the plans for the rabbitry. I think we finally got it down. It was raining last night, so a lot of this wood and stuff is wet and dark. But yeah, this camera's about to die too. So we're actually, I think I got how I want to do it. And we're actually going to use our pallets here to get all this rectified. Ryan and Ruben were here yesterday, and they went ahead and cut up some pallets for me because we had a lot of them out here. So they went ahead and cut up some pallets for us, and the rain kind of stopped them, but we're gonna repurpose most of this. Got a couple 2x4s over there, and then we'll repurpose a lot of this either for firewood or for gotta watch these nails, or for just scrap of wood. Look how lush and lush these greens are. These are actually ready to be a salad. So some of these are ready to be harvested already. So hydroponics is actually working pretty well. The system is flowing very, very good. I can hear it flowing very good. So yeah, I'm happy with the system. Just checking it out. Yeah, just checking it out. Ooh, look at her garden. Hold on. Yeah, we got some things, some tomatoes and stuff, some beets starting to sprout even more. Cilantro, I think that is. Is that cilantro? Yep, cilantro. Some of the kale is starting to sprout. We had, like I said, nice rain yesterday. Almost about a half an inch. Little over a quarter inch for sure. So yeah, we're getting it. Some mints there. Potatoes. A lot of potatoes are starting to sprout. So we're getting it. She got some onions and stuff she's planting over here. Yeah. Alright. So we do have an addition to our farm. But before we get to that, let's check on the kids' plants. Yeah, see, these are they're starting to die actually. So that one's, I don't know what happened to this one. The roots are still there, but I'm not sure if there's any water. So we got to keep it watered. That's part of the greenhouse that we was trying to do. So I might have to put these tops back on, because yeah, they're starting to die, and the ones that are in the greenhouse are still flourishing. So maybe the elements are getting to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those back covered. Here is our mama. That is honey. Her babies are so big back there. She's doing good. And here's CoCo. She's almost ready. Say, yeah, I'm almost ready. She's been building nests inside her cage. Say, I'm almost ready. So she is actually due on the 8th. So we got a couple weeks before we have to put a nesting box. And then there's Big Papa. Say, hey, what's up, y'all? There's Big Papa. Yeah, King me. Yeah. Big Papa. And we have our newest one, Ellie. Hey, mama. Hey. So she is our Texas rabbit. I think she's mixed with New Zealand. I gotta check the records. But she's mixed. So she's our, if it can't jump, so we're gonna go ahead and just get it, the battery charged. And if that doesn't work, he's gonna have to replace the battery on his vehicle. And then other than that, yeah, I just have work to do. We won't probably build anything. Like I said, everything is wet, but we're gonna go ahead and get these. I'm gonna do one of them now. Get these back in the greenhouse because they're not looking too good. My lettuce was doing very well, and now I don't know if it needs some nutrition. Probably needs some nutrition. So let me do that, and then that'll be it for us today. Just giving y'all an update We'll do a better introduction of Ellie. What did you name it?
Alette.
What was the real name?
Ellie.
Ellie? Yeah. Alette is what. So we normally do a family vote and pull names out of a hat. That's how everybody got their names. So Alette was what my youngest son Johnny named her, but he meant Ellie, so it's Ellie. So yeah, let's get this back in here. But before I put this back on, let me check the tray to see if it has any water, because I'm thinking it's drinking all the water. It has a little bit of nutrients in there. So we'll go ahead and get this back in the greenhouse if we can. I don't think it needs any light, but it has been getting kind of cold, so maybe that has something to do with it as well, with the rain and the coldness. Oh, Bentley said y'all didn't say hello to him, so we're gonna say hello to Bentley after I get this done. Reagan, I gotta go to the store to pick up the cage and stuff, so if you can cover y'all. What is she doing?
She doesn't like it when I touched her back. She was fine for a little bit, and then once I got too close, she started to get mad.
It's because y'all doing it very timid too. So she, like, you're unsure, so she unsure. Like, be sure, like, you're her owner, you know? Alright, so yeah, get these covered up. Make sure when you do it that you grab them all here. I'm gonna put it inside. I'll make some more nutrients for it, because it does look like they're drying out, but like these onions died, or dying, so they're just gonna try to revitalize them. And make sure that they don't get crumped under the thing that closes it. Alright, so there's that. And let's go and see about Ryan's car. So she's eating, she's good, she's happy. Just be careful taking her out for a while. Alright, you got it out? Oh, perfect. Alright, so he let his car sit for too long without charging it, so we gotta charge his battery. You know how to charge it?
Where's the charger? In the garage?
Yeah, the one I use for my motorcycle. Okay. So take that to the garage. Alright, so we're gonna go to the garage. And he's gonna charge his battery. We should have 2 battery chargers. I just ordered another one. You probably need to order one too. Like a little mobile one. I forgot we got this. So here's our saw that we have and my motorcycle that I'm using. The charger should be close by here. It might be on the shelf. So go ahead and put it down right here next to the plug. But it's the same one I use for the motorcycle. I don't know where it's at. I don't know where it's at with all this stuff in here. Do you know what it looks like? It might be over here. It's the thing that has the happy faces on it, and I push the button. See, we gotta start putting stuff back. Like, this don't go right here. Yeah, this needs to be charged too. Like, good. Oh, where's this charger at? Sorry, you guys. But, hey, I think that's one of the things too. I'm gonna show you our real life. Like, I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing, edit nothing. We got 7 children, 7 different kid personalities, plus 2 adults. Like, I don't even know why this is. Like, they went through my stuff looking for stuff. Like, they went through our stuff looking for stuff and don't put stuff back. Like, they looking for something. Y'all gotta put this stuff back. We can't find nothing in this mess. Oh, it's in here because I just charged the motorcycle about a month or 2 ago. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's RDT, and I'm just getting home from a day of work. I had to go see a couple customers, so I'm just now getting out to the backyard to check on the rabbits and see what's going on in the farm. So I need to check on our new baby, see how she's doing. Wonder if she's peeing in her bowl. Trying to get her acclimated. I got her a cage that I need to get built and put together. Checking on some of our plants and things of that nature. And I think we're ready to start harvesting some of our greens from the hydroponics. So there we go. Oh yeah. These babies are ready. Look at this. So we had some good rain. So we got some dust from the rain. But for the most part, these babies are ready to get cut and put into some of our salad for our Easter dinner. Glory be to God. Thank you for this. I wanted to definitely harvest something for, look at even back here. This one's growing good back here. I wanted to harvest something. Look at this, there's 2 of them in here. Oh yeah, there's 2 plants coming out of that one. So you got this one right here, and then you got this one right here. So yeah, this hydroponic system is no joke when you get it going. Look at that. So what is this? My mustard greens are still growing. What is this in here? Mustard greens are starting to flourish up here. And our regular greens, our black seed lettuce. I see gnats and mosquitoes in here. So yeah, look at all these bugs. Starting to bring the bugs. They're starting to eat our lettuce. So I think what I'm gonna do is actually grow some different type of things to put in the middle around here, so that it doesn't attract or it detracts the bugs. Because you're gonna have bugs in your garden. It's just a part of life. It's just all about how you take care of it. All right, so yeah, we're gonna get some of this harvested and chopped up. And so we still have our pallets here. I'm not sure exactly which stopped them from getting all this up. But we got some good 2x4s I can cut and use for legs and bases. I'm actually gonna probably use some of these today, probably these 2, get them cut up and use it for Ella's cage. Today is day 10 of our babies being born, so that means it is time to check their eyes. Yes, it is time to check their eyes. Their eyes should be open, and I think they're asleep right now, so I'm about to wake them up. Hey CoCo. Hey CoCo. It's time for y'all to get. So about 12 to 1 o'clock, we normally take all the rabbits out. Let's get them some exercise. So it's about 12, a little after 12, so in about 30 minutes or so, they should be coming out for some exercise. And this is a good time to make sure they got clean water. And we're gonna go ahead and get their trays cleaned out because they're overflowing. Hi there, honey. Hiya, mama. I gave you guys some good snacks this morning, huh? Alright, so we bought another cage. A J feeder. And she has a bowl in there. But here she goes. What are you sniffing for? You done spilled all your food? What are you sniffing for? Trying to get more food? Alright, so yeah, let me go and oh yeah, they're moving. They're moving back there. But yeah, so day 10 is a day we go ahead and pull them out again and check them. Check their eyes, make sure they don't have any nest eye or anything like that, and make sure that they are getting their eyes open, that they're not blind or anything. So I'm gonna set you guys down and we're gonna get them pulled out of their cage. Alright. See if I have some snacks for mama. So they're all pretty asleep, so their eyes probably are not gonna be open anyway because they're in here asleep. But we're gonna go ahead and try to get a look at them all, see how big they done got. Close that sliding glass before the flies get in the house. Empty. Alright. So they're chunkers now. 10 days old and they're chunkers. So let's start grabbing. They're gonna jump. They're gonna jump. Is your eyes open? Is your eyes open? No, not yet. So it's 10, 11 days. So eyes not open on that one. I don't know if eyes are open on any of them. Where are you jumping to? Yeah, I don't think eyes are open on any of them. Cut it out. Cut it out. They're very pretty. Good color. They're just sleepy. Trying to see where our runt is. I think this is our runt. This is the smallest one. This is our runt. But yeah. So maybe by tonight, because I think tonight is the actual 10 days. So yeah, none of them have their eyes open yet. Who's crying? Who's crying? Who's crying? Who's crying? Mommy hears the cries. So I'll put them back in there with mama. And then we'll check back tomorrow, see if their eyes open. I think tonight is actually the 10th day. Watch out, mama. Alright. Watch out, baby. Watch out, baby. Oh, yeah. Smell daddy. Smell me. So you can know it was me. I'm checking your ears. Your ears good? Yeah. Alright, baby. Alright. Alright. So, yeah, that's it pretty much. I'm not open yet. We'll check back later. We'll get her cage built so she can have her set up the same way